Chinese looking, pina-validate namin sa BID. Initially, naandun lahat sa BID yung mga naandun sa Arlene apartment.
Tapos may resulta ba ang investigation ng BID na alam ninyo or something?
After that, Mr. Chair, pinawalan na lang ng BID eh.
Okay.
Kasi focus kami on the after operation naman, nung different laboratories na naman.
Yes, but then I have a question. These are persons who were turned over to the BID, which you said were siguro discovered, not apprehended, discovered as a reason, as an offshoot of the Dumoy raid. Tama po ba? So no matter if it's not a direct link, but pero may links, supposedly. Kasi kasunod magkasunod tong pangyayaring ito, di ba? Now, the fact that you turned them over to the BID, hindi ba sila maging persons of interest man lang at the very least?
Person of interest actually,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Now, if they are persons of interest and BID let them go, how come it did not bother to follow up? Anong nangyari sa 11 na to? Sabi mo nga lang, person of interest sila.
Mas 28 lang kami noon, Mr. Chair. We have task priority requirement. Follow up on another laboratories. Kasi nga, ang dami na naming nakuhang sa anti-clandestine laboratory operation, ang dami ng different areas na pwedeng...
Pero nagbunga na.
Oh yes,
It leads
Mr.
to
Chair.
other areas.
Dapat sa kanila na yun, Mr. Chair. Dapat feedbackan nila kami dahil focus na kami doon na talaga sa ano, sir, Mr. Chair. Just to find out, kasi meron naman Davao City Police Office, Mr. Chair. Sila na yung nag-take charge doon sa...
But sir, you were the lead agency that time,
Yes,
di
Mr.
ba?
Chair. But again, task priority requirement. Mas priority ko yung next laboratory kung saan kami pupunta.
Okay, I understand na mas important yung next laboratories. But again, I'll go back to your assertions kanina na they were persons of interest. Yet, they seem to have just been forgotten like bula lang na nag-vanish into thin air. We don't even know what happened to them. Is BID here?
Mr. Chairman,
Go ahead,
with the indulgence of Kong Flores, can I ask question lang po kay...
Okay, with the indulgence of Congressman
Thank you.
Marcos.
Sundan ko lang po, kasi DG, sinabi mo na persons of interest. Now, sabi mo naman, yung focus nyo is from the other project or lab. But still, kung pwede naman yun, the following day, because those 11 persons of interest with regards to drugs, di ba? DG pulis ka di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh, persons of interest yun. Tapos, nung pinakawala sandali po, pinakawala ng BID, okay lang kayo? Sige nga.
Sir, what I mean with persons of interest, it's possible persons...
Kaya nga, whatever, because they are not yet, hindi nga pwede ikulong doon sa ano Yung sinabi mo, Davao City Police Office, hindi. Wala pa naman silang kaso Tama yun sa BID. But, even the following day, the following week, dapat pinalo up nyo. Bakit biglang nawala? And did you file a case against the BID?
Mr. Chair, meron kasi...
Sandali po, ang question ko lang po, sagutin mo. Did you file a case against those BID people?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Why?
Wala namang violation, Mr.
Anong
Chair.
walang violation? Sabi mo na nga, they are subject of that operations. Persons of interest. Di ba? Oh, now, question. Ito, are they formally endorsed to BID? DG?
Mr. Chair,
Sandali po, yes or no lang.
hindi ko sir masagot na yes or no.
Oh,
Mr. Chair,
sige, hindi tanongin kita. Did you formally endorse them to the BID?
Merong PIDEA doon nakasama.
Sino ang PIDEA?
Hindi ko na matandaan, Mr. Chair.
Naklang.
Yes,
Pwede ba
Mr.
yun?
Chair. That was 20 years ago, Mr. Chair.
Eto, sinong BID doon, the time?
Hindi ko rin matandaan na kung sino yung BID.
Ay, may amnesia
Mr.
ka,
Chair.
DJ. Sandali po, patapusin muna ako. Hindi pwede, hindi mo matandaan. Kasi, yung Dumoy raid na yun, napakalaking raid yun. Tapos, tinol over nyo, hindi mo matandaan. Kaya tinanong ko kita, if you formally endorse those 11 Chinese, kasi po, may statement ng presidente din na pinagpapatay niya. DJ You're telling me, maniwala ako dito na hindi mo matandaan? And you claim that those 11 are persons of interest, then suddenly, nirelease ng BID? Wala kayong ginawa? Well, back, ang basic doon. Police ka. Ang basic doon, you should have investigated why the BID released those 11 persons of interest. Di ba? Police ka eh. Subject nyo yun eh. Kaya hindi mo ako mapaniwala, DG. Ewan ko sa mga members dito, kung maniwala na hindi mo alam kung ano nangyari doon. Di ba? Simpleng-simple lang po. Dineklara mo, persons of interest of 11. Nirelease ng BID. Ang reason mo is that you're busy on those other projects. The day after, a week after. Di ba? Hindi naman tayo dito. Hindi ako pulis, pero marunong din ako mag-imbestiga. At kung ako nandun, kung talagang tunay na tinatrabaho mong trabaho natin, hindi ko hayaan yun na makawala. Without doing deeper investigation that 11. Ngayon, yung reason mo, hindi mo matandaan. BID. Nandito ba ang BID?
Earlier, they were here, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the BID? Nandiyan naman po yung PETSA. Nung Dumoy raid, can we direct the BID? Who are those officials of the BID
Mr. Chair,
in Davao?
Okay. Comsec, please coordinate with BID.
Para magkaalaman. Baka mamaya yung BID na yun.
Okay. Congressman Acop, with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
And the indulgence of Congressman Flores. Yes.
Of course, I will lead to
Sorry,
Chairman
Your Honor.
Acop, of course.
para lang ito yung information kasi hinahanap ni Honorable Paduano kung sino ang BID noon eh. We have here Police Superintendent Winnie Kidato who was then the BID head. Hindi po ba?
Good afternoon.
On record na nasa akin.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair, Your Honors. I was then detailed with the Bureau of Immigration at that time. But I'm not the head, Your Honor.
Are you familiar with that case?
Yes, Your
Sir?
Honor.
So what happened with that 11? That was turned over to you?
They were not turned over to me, Your Honor.
No, to the BID, to the Bureau. Yun yung claim niya, no eh. Do you confirm that there are 11 Chinese personality that was endorsed to you?
Your Honor, I was assigned in the main office of the Bureau of Immigration.
So you're not familiar with that case?
I'm familiar because I was called at that time by our commissioner, Commissioner Alipio Fernandez, to go to Davao. So that was on the, he called me up on the 31st of December to go to Davao. And I said, sir, I'm very sorry because I cannot buy any more tickets. The planes are already full. So may I go the following morning? So yung kinabukasan po, pumunta po ako doon. Yun po sa invitation na rin ng PNP para magkakasama-sama raw po, merong representative doon ng immigration. Kasi nandun nga po yung mga top brasses. Nandun po yung AFP, nandun po yung PNP, nandun po sa Jalaglipay, at marami pa pong iba. So, I'm representing BID at that time. Nung nadatnan ko po sila, kumpleto na po ang kanilang I arrived at around 9 o'clock in the morning, between 9 and 10, Your Honor. Kasama ko po yung mga sila Jalaglipay. Magkakasama po kami doon.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Congressman Acop, please proceed.
I have here a copy of the logbook of PDEA 11, 2004. Logbook number 4061, dated January 1, 2005, at 10:35 in the morning. It's stated here, PDEA personnel left this office led by SPO3 Baltasar Carrillo, with the BID personnel led by Police Superintendent Winnie Kidato, proceeded at Arlene Apartment, and Torres Street, Barrio Obrero, Davao City, to follow up on clandestine laboratory and Shabu laboratory for records purposes and future reference. It was signed by SPO1 Juanito P. Tanod, Duty Desk Officer. Would this lie? Hindi totoo ito.
Mr.
O
Chair, Your
gawa-gawa
Honor,
lang ng PDEA Region 11?
that is not how I remembered it, Your Honor. Sorry.
I do not know. That's why we are asking questions here. Why? Because we have documents.
After po na mag-arrive po ako sa